In today's high-paced world, you're constantly balancing personal well-being with a demanding lifestyle. You've faced challenges, economic downturns, personal crises, and you know that true wellness goes beyond quick fixes. That's where we come in. Welcome to Materia Medica Clinic. You're searching for something real, an approach that's both authentic and evidence-based. Like you, we believe in more than just generic solutions. You're looking for effective ways to integrate time-honored herbalism into your life to manage stress and improve performance. At Materia Medica Clinic, we understand skepticism. You're asking, what's truly beneficial? Is it more than just a placebo effect? We're here to answer those questions. We provide personalized, holistic solutions tailored to your unique lifestyle. Join us in discovering a holistic path tailored for your needs, where tradition meets scientific evidence. It's more than products, it's a way of life. Visit our website, book a consultation, or follow us for daily wellness tips. Your journey to balanced holistic health starts here at Materia Medica Clinic.